So this is the Zoupw W 100 watt solar panel. First and foremost, you got this zippered pouch right here that's got the output cabling. And this is the output cabling attachments. You just basically hook the red and the black to the red and the black, positive and negative, right? You've got all kinds of attachments here. This one right here with the cap is the Jackery charger, which is the one, the battery that I bought. But there's a bunch of different attachments to choose from. And it also comes with this, 10 pack of attachments as well. All of this does fit in here. So you can see everything. So you can see everything in this little pouch here. There's some plugins that I'll show you in just a second to charge your mobile devices or cameras or whatever. I just throw all this cabling in here while traveling. And this right here is just like the legs that pop out when it's folded open and pointing at the sun. All right. So now I'm going to transition to a clip of this charging my 293 watt hour Jackery battery bank.